So, welcome to my utility room where I'm doing a coldish wash because I was injecting sheep this morning and I got absolutely soaked and muddy, and I hardly ever use my dryer, but I'm going to share this wonderful tip. See these? You just chuck them in the bin? No. If you have a real fire or a wood burner, watch this space to make your own very useful firelighters. So, the dryer, the lint collector. Don't throw this away. Now, you can either compost that, which I do in the summer. I mean, I never really use the dryer. And if you stuff the lint into the empty cardboard tubes, these make excellent firelighters. Now, it's a faff, but see, if you do it when you're using your dryer, you'll just get used to it. So just keep these in your laundry room and you'll remember to do it. And they make great wee firelighters and cost you absolutely nothing. And the more often that you empty this, guys, the more economical your dryer will run. So don't let it fill up. It's not good for the dryer. So when you see it starting to fill, make some of these firelighters. Okay. So last part of the video, remember these? The firelighters filled with lint from the dryer. Well, there you go. Proof of the pudding. Oops, bit of smoke. And they work. So, save money, get rid of your washer dryer lint. Thanks for watching.